Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you my workflow of importing CAD files into Revit. I'll share with you tips that I use to do the task efficiently. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, I need to be aware what type of view is I'm importing. Is that a plan, an elevation, or section, or whatever? So in my case, I'm trying to import elevation drawings. First, I need to be on elevation view here. And next, I'm going to insert tab, import CAD. Then I'm gonna locate the file, click on it. And here, a couple settings are there I need to check. So most importantly here, it says current view only. So I want this elevation drawing visible on different views, not only in this specific east elevation view. So I'm gonna leave it unchecked. In the other one, I'm gonna leave it the default one and check also the units. So it's millimeters, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Click open. Here I've opened the CAD file here. The next thing I'm going to do is just check the dimension here if it is correct. So let's say this is 900, so I'm gonna check it and it's correct. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 3D view. Here on 3D, it looks 3D object, the CAD file. That's because current view only while importing this CAD file. So here, what I need to do is I'm going to go to double click on top here, or I can go to level 1 to see just from the top. So here I need to copy this elevation drawing. Since it have 4 elevations on it, I need to copy 4 times with specific or corresponding views. So copy here again this and rotate 90 degrees here and copy again this area. So when I go to 3D view, to just give me, since I'm trying to model here on 3D, I'm going to back on level 1. I need to position the CAD files perfectly as I want. So I just showing you roughly, but precisely I need to position each elevation perfectly, and I might need to go to elevation view and try to position each specific view perfectly. Then on 3D view, turn on section box, and here try to ignore the other unnecessary things. I just need to see the areas I need to look. So here, let's hide this one. So here it gives me a sense of 3D one, and from here I might try to start modeling or start recreating on Revit while doing this kind of initial setup to just give a sense of 3D objects from the start. Try to visualize it, what I need to do, and actually it's not perfectly aligned, like this point to this here, so I might use arrow keys and nudging over to the right position here, using arrow keys here, like yeah, using your own things perfectly aligned and starts modeling over here. So that's all I have for you today. And actually, for the plan and for other drawings, I will do the same way. Like, if I got a plan for this one, I will insert at the bottom of the plan. And if I got the roof, I will put it on the roof like so. On the specified, simply I will got, how will the 3D model look like. I will visualize ahead of modeling quickly. That helped me to do the task faster. That's what I notice in my workflow. And I want to share this one with you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.